Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to navigate the stock market and develop investing strategies for beginners. The stock market can seem intimidating, but with the right strategies and knowledge, anyone can invest and potentially earn returns. So, let's get started. Before investing in the stock market, it's important to understand your risk tolerance. This means how much risk you're willing to take on in your investments. Generally, stocks have higher risk and potential returns than other investments like bonds or cash. However, higher risk can also mean higher losses. Understanding your risk tolerance can help you choose the right investments for your financial goals. Another important strategy for investing in the stock market is diversification. This means spreading your investments across different sectors and companies to reduce risk. By diversifying, you can potentially earn returns from multiple investments, even if some don't perform well. A well-diversified portfolio can help balance out the highs and lows of the stock market. It's important to do your own research before investing in any stocks. This means reading company financial statements, analyzing market trends, and keeping up with news and events that can impact stock prices. This can help you make informed decisions about which stocks to invest in and when to buy or sell. 4. Consider dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is a strategy where you invest a set amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the stock price. By doing so, you can potentially buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high, which can reduce the overall cost of your investments. Finally, it's important to invest for the long term when investing in the stock market. The stock market can be volatile in the short term, but historically, it has provided positive returns over the long term. By investing for the long term, you can potentially earn higher returns and ride out market fluctuations. In conclusion, navigating the stock market and developing investing strategies for beginners can seem overwhelming, but with the right knowledge and strategies, anyone can invest and potentially earn returns. Understanding your risk tolerance, diversifying your portfolio, doing your research, considering dollar cost averaging, and investing for the long term are all important strategies to keep in mind. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.